I was petting my neighbor's cat when suddenly.
Okay.
He's in great condition.
Oh, baby, come on.
What are you doing?
Somebody once told me the
No. They are my chicken nuggets. No.
Ma'am, that is not ladylike. Oh.
Yo, Spunky, what are you doing, dog? You sniffing ass? It's pistachio ice cream.
Jump! Come on! Whoa! Good!
It's really gonna happen. It's gonna happen again.
Кто доберман? Кто?
What are you doing?
What a poor little baby!
It's not that serious.
You stop it. Get down. Get down. Misty.
Yeah.
Don't ever fucking film me. I'm gonna kick the shit out of you.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't.
Don't look at Mark at me.
Like, sit the fuck down. Oh!
Bruh.
my boy.
But it's not.
Walter, please watch your tail.
Somebody once told me the world.
Can you read this? Oh my god!
Where's the catnip?
I just bought this basket piece, and look at it now, man.
Hello, boy. Really careful, not yet. Roger. Normalize you not touching my charger.
No, Ivor, no!
And they're just super playful. They still. Oh!
Cats. I love cats. They're the best thing in my life.
Ow.
Me, sexy.
Gente, me iba a acostar, pero me di cuenta que tenía el diablo.
Come here. You gonna do some dancing for? Vậy bạn ơi. Okay, come on.
Go.
Harry, why are you such a jerk?
이분이 어떤 분이냐?
Where's the catnip?
For it until now.
Go, buddy.
It's a fine swim.
Bitch, yeah.